Let's look at an example of the difference principle in action. Suppose that we have a choice between capitalism and socialism. Well, we ask ourselves, what would maximize the level of the least well off, right? Who's going to be least well off under capitalism and who's going to be most well off under socialism? Well, at first glance, it might seem obvious. Well, it's socialism, right? Socialism is just, having a more even distribution of income. But we can't be so quick. Right? Some people are going to say, well, look, capitalism, by making it possible for some people to make a lot of money, gives incentives for everyone to work hard, which means there'll be more resources to go around. There'll be a more efficient use of resources. People can effectively have, even the poorest people under capitalism, right, will have more than the least well off under socialism. Right? So some people would argue, actually, if we're looking at maximizing the level of the least well off, capitalism, or at least capitalism with adequate regulation, is better than socialism. Rawls himself actually thinks you have to either have socialism or what he'd call a property-owning democracy. Right? So he's a bit skeptical. He's skeptical of capitalism. Right? But formally speaking, the difference principle doesn't answer that question. Right? It tells us we have to do the best empirical research we can do to figure out what system of property in society maximizes the level of the least well off.